Redeem RBC Avion points. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn how to instantly redeem RBC Avion points. Follow the steps in the video and don't miss any important point. First, log into your RBC online banking account. For this, visit the RBC website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the rewards section and look for a section related to rewards or credit card benefits. In many online banking platforms, there is a specific area where you can manage your reward points. After that, select the redemption option. For this, choose the option for redemption points. This could include options such as travel, booking, merchandise, gift cards, or cashback. After that, follow the redemption process. Once you have selected the type of redemption you want, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the redemption process. This may involve specifying the number of points you wish to redeem and confirming your choice. After doing all that, you will be able to instantly redeem RBC Avion points. That's simple.